Hi students, today we are going to learn about an important part in the English grammar, articles. The words a or an and the are called articles. They come before nouns. These articles are written just before nouns. There are two articles. There are two articles, a or an and the. A or an is an option. It is optionally used according to the sound of the letter that follows and the a or an. The choice between a and an is determined by sound, not by looking the letter, not by looking the vowel letter, but the sound that makes. Before a word begins with a vowel sound, and is used. Here we have several examples: an ass, an enemy, an ink pad, an orange, an umbrella, and here up to umbrella we can see the letters used. In as a, the sound is a vowel sound. An enemy e, vowel it makes the letter e makes vowel sound. An ink I makes vowel sound. An orange o makes vowel sound. U umbrella, U in umbrella makes vowel sound. And our an honest man, an heir. In these words we can see the words start with an H. Actually, H doesn't belong to the vowel letters, but the sound that it produces is that of a vowel silent H. It is also called mute H. That's why an is used there. It will be noticed that the words our honest air begins with a vowel sound as the initial consonant H is not pronounced. Before a word beginning with a consonant sound, A is used. But A is used immediately before a word that starts with a consonant sound, not letter. Here, as in the case of vowel sound, here is also uh, we have to be careful. A should be used according to the sound the letter makes, not the letter. A boy, a reindeer, a woman, a yard, a horse, a university, a union, a European. Here, check here. You can see a university. Actually, the word university starts with a vowel letter, but here the letter U doesn't make a vowel sound. Its sound is here is a consonant. A union, a European. The definite article the is used. Now we are going to learn the uses of the. When we talk about a particular person or thing or one already referred to, we have to use the article the. For example, the book you want is out of print. The book you want is out of print. Why the is used before the book? Because which book? The one you want. We do not mention any book, but the book that we have already referred. We already the one you want, not any book, but the one you want. You need it. Let us go to the park. The park is park in this town. The park is located in the town of the speaker, not any park. The speaker is correctly knows. The speaker correctly knows which which park is mentioned here. Before some proper names. Another situation of the is used is uh, before some proper nouns like oceans, uh, oceans. Example: the Pacific, the Black Sea, or before some rivers, some names rivers, some before some names of rivers. Example: the Ganga, the Nile, canals. Example: the Suez Canal, desert. Example: the Sahara, groups of islands. Example: the Himalayas, the Alps. Before the names of certain books as the Vedas, the Puranas, the Iliad. Before names of things unique of their kind, the sun, the sky, the ocean, the earth. All these things are special or unique. That's why the is used just before these nouns. The sun, the sky, the ocean, the earth.